The 2026 KTM Adventure 250 emerges as one of the most exciting entry-level adventure motorcycles of its time, carrying forward KTM's legacy of blending performance, practicality, and versatility into a single package. Designed for riders who want to step into the world of adventure touring without compromising on reliability or style, this machine proves that you don't need a massive engine to explore the world. From daily commutes to cross-country trips and light off-road trails, the Adventure 250 of 2026 offers a well-balanced performance that is equally appealing to new riders and seasoned travelers. The first thing that catches attention is its design. Inspired by KTM's larger adventure machines, the 250 comes with an aggressive and rally-inspired look. The tall windscreen, sharp LED headlamp, muscular fuel tank, and sleek bodywork give it the character of a much bigger motorcycle. The ergonomics are designed for comfort on long rides, with an upright seating posture, wide handlebars for maximum control, and a split seat that ensures comfort for both rider and pillion. The new fairing design provides better wind protection, making highway cruising smoother and less tiring. At the heart of the bike lies a 248cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, tuned to deliver an impressive balance between power and efficiency. In 2026, KTM has refined the engine mapping for smoother throttle response, especially at lower RPMs, which makes the bike more friendly for new riders. Producing around 30 horsepower and 24 Nm of torque, the engine may not sound huge on paper, but in real-world riding, it is more than capable of handling city traffic, open highways, and moderate off-road terrain. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, gear shifts are smooth and precise, while the bike remains stable under sudden deceleration. Suspension is one of the most crucial aspects of an adventure motorcycle, and KTM has equipped the Adventure 250 with WP Apex suspension at both ends. With long travel, the suspension soaks up bumps, potholes, and rough trails with ease, ensuring a comfortable ride in diverse conditions. The steel trellis frame, lightweight yet rigid, provides excellent stability and agility whether the bike is loaded with luggage or carving through twisty roads. The 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel, fitted with dual-purpose tires, offer the right grip on both tarmac and dirt, giving riders the confidence to take on different terrains without hesitation. Technology is another highlight of the 2026 Adventure 250. The motorcycle comes equipped with dual-channel ABS with an off-road mode, allowing riders to disable ABS at the rear wheel when tackling dirt trails. Traction control adds an extra layer of safety, particularly in slippery conditions. A bright, full-color TFT display serves as the instrument cluster, showing all essential information like speed, fuel range, riding modes, and navigation details. Through KTM MyRide connectivity, riders can pair their smartphones to access calls, music, and turn-by-turn navigation directly on the screen, making long rides more convenient. Fuel efficiency is a major advantage of the 250cc segment, and KTM has worked to ensure that the Adventure 250 offers excellent mileage without compromising performance. With its 14.5-liter fuel tank, riders can expect a long touring range, making it suitable for weekend trips or even longer journeys. The bike also features improved cooling and heat management, ensuring smooth performance even during extended rides in hot weather or heavy traffic. KTM has thoughtfully added features that enhance practicality for touring enthusiasts. The bike comes with mounting points for panniers and top boxes, making it easier to carry luggage on longer rides. A USB charging port ensures that riders can keep their devices powered during journeys, which is a crucial feature in today's connected world. Additionally, the lightweight nature of the bike makes it less intimidating for new riders, while still offering enough punch to keep experienced motorcyclists entertained. What sets the 2026 KTM Adventure 250 apart is its accessibility. It is designed for those who are eager to enter the world of adventure riding but may not yet be ready for the larger and more expensive machines like the Adventure 390 or 890. Its affordability, fuel efficiency, and manageable power output make it a perfect option for students, young professionals, and riders on a budget who still crave the thrill of exploration. In conclusion, the 2026 KTM Adventure 250 proves that adventure knows no limits. With its rally-inspired design, refined engine, advanced technology, and practical touring features, it delivers a complete package for riders who want to explore the unknown without breaking the bank. It strikes a perfect balance between being beginner-friendly and offering enough capability to satisfy experienced adventurers. Whether you are navigating city streets, riding across open highways, or venturing onto rugged trails, the KTM Adventure 250 of 2026 is more than just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to explore, discover, and embrace the spirit of true adventure. Do you also want me to create a title and description for this 2026 KTM Adventure 250 YouTube article?